I'm about to go do the nerdiest shit I've ever done in my life. We're gonna make a lightsaber.
Hi, bright suns.
Oh, it feels good in here. Whoa.
Welcome builders to the workshop. My apologies for rushing you in, but at this time, I can't ever be too sure of who I bring inside the workshop. My name is Carlos, and humbly we call ourselves the Gatherers. We as Gatherers have been in many places of the galaxy, from worn-torn planets to forgotten outposts, in search of these metals and ancient relics. And everything that we find out there, we bring here for all of you. If a stormtrooper or anyone from the First Order were to walk in here, we hope that they only see junk and clutter. But for us who are in the know, this is everything. This is much more than that. We as Gatherers believe in preserving our past in order to ensure our future. Builders, as you saw out there, we are in troubled times. But in troubled times, heroes are made, one like Luke Skywalker, yes? And there's a new Jedi. Anyone knows her name? Rey, yes, a spark of hope. And she heard the call, and so have you. And that's why you're here today. But you're also here for one more reason. You're here to build this, the lightsaber. The lightsaber is beautiful and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is a form of art. It has been held by the greatest of the Jedi and the darkest of the foes. It is a reflection of its builder. It is a connection between all of you builders to the Force. And today builders, you will be able to feel that connection. And it all starts with this. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. The color of your crystal will determine the color of your blade. It harnesses the energy of the Force and it magnifies it. In our workshop, we have 4 different colors for you to choose from. It was hard to get them, and we'll start with this one right here. Blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now, Rey. Green. Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet. Rare and beautiful. Once held by Master Mace Windu. And red. Red is the crystal of power. Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. But enough about the past. Today, builders, it's about you, our future. So if I can have all of you builders, please, to close your eyes. Close your eyes. With your eyes closed, what color do you see? Which crystal is calling to you? Think about the color of your blade. And builders, open your eyes and collect your crystal.
Dang. Galaxy color. It's trippy, dude. I got the violet one.
Violet? Beautiful choice.
It's the 80s for me, dude. It's retro. It's spacey.
Great job, builders. Now that all of you have your crystal, please place it in front of you on your workstation. And my fellow gatherers and I, we're going around in this moment. Of your lightsaber. It is the center of control.
All right, dude.
It also keeps your hands from getting disintegrated. I know they seem a little bit confusing right now, but together we will explore. In front of you, you have a chassis. That chassis will house your Kyber crystal. Numbers 1 and 2 have your grips or sleeves. On number 3, you have emitters, and on number 4, you have your palms. Lastly, on number 5, you have your activation plates. Should you need any assistance, my fellow gatherers and I will be here to help you. Now, builders, are we ready to build?
Yes, sir.
Woo! Oh, sad.
Yes.
Let's build. Perfect.
All right.
Just hold your chassis like this.
First, we're gonna make sure our chassis is in the upright position. What I like to do is press it really far underneath my thumb, take my kite crystal, and put it in the chassis. Now mine does not like to move over the
Press down on the straight in the center. Should be glowing the whole time. And it's going to sit right in the center.
Good job.
See that? Isn't that cute?
Nice.
Science. All right, Jesse. Well, looks cool. I mean, dude, carry that. Carry
This
that.
part is.
Whoa, it's metal, dude.
Valerian steel.
Dude, this is the nerdy shit I've ever done. There's no way I'm gonna put this on YouTube, dude. There's no way.
Activation plates.
Which one? I like the gold, right? Gold?
The red square. We're going to match up the blue and the red. They are matching set.
Red.
Number 5 has your activation plates. Inside your activation plates.
Red with the red.
Here we go. Now we're working on our activation plate.
Blue.
On the back of our activation plate, we
one
have
set.
blue
They're
and
matching
red
sets. You
square.
can have
We're
it.
going to match up the blue
Oh, dang.
and red. Nice. Now we're going to move on to our sleeves. Now the thick bands, they head down towards the kyber crystal. Choose whatever sleeve you want for the top, whatever sleeve you want for the bottom.
The gold.
Put a gold at.
The gold. What do you think?
I like it.
I don't know. Is it like that?
Yeah,
Think so?
I think.
They head down towards the kyber crystal. You can choose whatever you want for the top and whatever you want for the bottom.
How'd that look?
So on number 1 and 2, you have 4 selections. Out of those 4, you need 2. One for the top, one for the bottom. They can all go anywhere you want, top or bottom. Just one rule. You have a thicker
How's that?
band.
Yes, that one.
Looks good.
Thicker band will always
Looks dope, right?
All right, when you're done with that, on the top will be one emitter.
Yeah. I want to get a traditional look for the lightsaber. I haven't seen any of those new Star Wars ones. Are they any good?
I haven't seen it. I haven't seen one Star Wars.
Ooh, what kind of cap?
You're going to choose one emitter.
Nah. Looks beefy, dude. That just looks beefy. Dude, this has some weight, dude.
Is it heavy?
Yeah. Assuming you just do.
And this also is just for adults. Anything you want
Oh, you got the spinner one.
I don't think it's supposed to spin. Wait.
Are you satisfied with your pieces? You like it?
Yeah.
There we go.
I think I got it. Oh, yeah.
The more you work with them, are you going to workshop?
Isn't that cool?
That is nice. All right, when it's time to activate, all you have to do is push up this lever.
Perfect.
All right, good job, Builder.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's cute.
You're a master builder, Chris.
I'm like, film, bro. I'm like C-3PO and you're like R2-D2.
Which one's R2-D2? The fat robot. Wow.
Why? It's a
Wow.
robot. How is a robot fat?
Because he's fat.
He's short and stubby.
the red type of crystal as well?
But the more you work that way, your phone should be able to
Chick right there is a really cool combo.
This is way better.
My lightsaber's better than everyone in the damn room.
Alright, so this right
They give you a really cool pin too.
Okay.
You were gonna be like, why did you pick purple? It's a cool color, man. It's just, you know, red would probably been the best choice because evil, right? Dark.
Alright, builders, you
purple's
guys did a
just
great
looks
job with
cool.
your hills. I see wonderful creations in front of me, but I need all of you to take a big step back now, please. All the way back. My fellow gatherers are going around and they're placing your hills into the crystal stabilization chambers. This requires a lot of technique and steady hand. We don't want any more accidents to happen, right, Ditto?
Yep, that's why we're in my goggles.
Yeah, that's what I brought mine too. Perfect. I think we're safe right now anyway. So, builders, now we're going to wait. Ditto.
Whoa, what's going on?
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Wow. Master Yoda, the Force must be strong with you, builders. And yes, it is almost time to forge the bond between Builder and Saber. In a moment, I will ask for all of you to step forward, place your hands on your hilts, and together we will activate. Builders, are we ready? Let's step forward. Place your hands on your hilts. Take a deep breath. Activate.
Whoa, cool! Dude.
Raise your lightsabers.
Woohoo!
You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith who came before you.
You look so cool right now.
Do I look cool?
You look so cool right now, CD. I'm so jelly.
It only takes a spark.
A lot of you would pick purple.
Right for everyone. Builders, please lower and deactivate your sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now,
Is it hot?
your destiny you seek. Your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, Builders, for allowing us to be part of your journeys.
Yes.
Builders, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. For your saber's protection, we are pleased to present to you the saber sheath as you depart. Sadly, Builders, our time together has come to an end. But your journey is just beginning. It is your time to leave your mark on the galaxy. Who knows? Maybe one day, I'll be here telling all of your stories. We wish you a safe journey. And like we say here in Batu, till inspire.
Till this fire! Right this way, boys. Continue your
Dude, feel how heavy that is. That's dope, right? Yeah. You look cool, dude. You look sexy.